Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming with another video. Today's video is a triple unboxing. As you know, in my unboxings, I kind of already cheat, and I unbox and check them out myself, because I just like to see what they look like before I show them to you guys most of the time. Every once in a while, I'll do a surprise, and you guys will really be seeing them for the first time like me. But as you know, you guys see the usual fanfare and all the unboxings, yada, 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 you know this, that. Basically, two of these watches are from my buddy Rick. If you know him, Rick on Watches on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram link down below, guys. And the other watch is another Tockr, which, as you know, I've worked with Tockr pretty closely the last year or so. And they were kind enough to send out a 1 of 10, one of their C-47s pieces. If you remember the D-Day piece that I reviewed a while back, this is kind of a limited edition skeleton movement of that, different movement and everything. But again, 1 of 10, so pretty cool to see a limited edition of that. And you can get a hold of Ross Galen, my buddy Ross. I'll leave a link down to his Instagram if you want to DM him or message him on Facebook if you're interested in this Tockr or any other Tockr as well. And of course, look for a full review of these guys coming up pretty soon, as well as a review that Citizen that Rich over at Salzman sent in. Quick wrist check, guys. I am about ready to go to work, so I'm wearing the Casio Mission Impossible. Pretty cool Casio, guys. This has gotten a lot of wear time, even more so than the Max Square lately. And as you know, I love my all-metal Square, guys. But anyways, guys, enough of me rambling on, and we'll go on to the unboxing. And again, Rick did not send them in the boxes, which is fine, guys. And I didn't want to show my address nor his address, guys. So here's the two watches that Rick sent in. This is a Citizen real-timer, guys. If you remember, I believe my buddy Peter sent this in, the same watch in a while back. It's been about a month or so ago if you want to go back and look at the review. So I probably won't review this one. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure if this is the same one that he sent in, but it's still kind enough of Rick to send this one in. It's still cool to get to check out this piece again. I do dig the leather band on it. Pretty nice watch for what you get for a couple $100 for real time, guys. Of course, it has that legendary Eco Drive movement on it. Love these pieces for the price. I love Citizen, as you know. Big fan. But on to the main attraction. As you know, I'm a big Zen fanboy, guys. And this is the Sinn105. I've been interested to check this one out ever since they first came out. And I've been wearing it a little bit since yesterday, since I got it in. And I do dig the white dial. It does have that kind of Polar Explorer 2 vibe. Now, at first, I thought this was kind of like the Sinn104, basically with a GMT movement. But upon first inspection and first impressions, guys, it wears more closely. It wears smaller than the Sinn104, if you ask me. Overall, I get a little bit more smaller feel, but it does fit my big 7.5 inch wrist just fine, guys. And I am digging digging this watch. It may have to be one that I add to the collection. And as you know, I do like that orange GMT hand as well, guys. Look for a full review of this guy coming up probably next week sometime, guys. As I do have to get back to Rick, as he's getting ready to travel soon. And I think he wants to take this with him. But anyways, guys, cool watch, and for right under $2,000, I think I would probably opt out for the bracelet version. Though this rubber strap supplied by Zen is really nice, guys. As you know, Zen does great builds. They make a great watch. And on to the Tockr, guys. Comes in this pretty cool green box, almost kind of like a Rolex kind of green. Pretty cool. And again, I must iterate, this is a limited edition, guys. This is number 4 of 10. Pretty cool wood box, just like the D-Day. They kind of mimic the ammo crates that were on the C-47s, which is pretty cool. Kind of old school kind of vibe for what you get. Pretty cool on the presentation, guys. Now let me try to get this off here. Sorry, guys, had a little bit of a difficulty. The box got kind of stuck there. But overall, pretty cool. And first impressions on the packaging, guys. Here you can see the warranty card here. It's not signed yet, as nobody has bought it. And again, if you are interested in this watch or any other Tockr, get a hold of my buddy Ross, guys. He is an authorized retailer for them. Overall, first impressions, not usually my kind of style. But it is cool to try something different out, test the waters on something different. that I haven't really seen before. The C47, this is the, excuse me, the skeleton dowel, guys. I'm getting over a little bit of a cold here, guys. But this is the C47, the skeleton dowel. If you look on their website, guys, limited 1 to 10, 1 of 10. I do believe this is number 4 here. You can see the case back here. Comes with an STP movement. So overall, first impression, and I do like the really quick release straps here. Overall, first impressions, I really do dig this piece, guys. Alright, let me know what you think down in the comments. Are any of these pieces you would like to see in your collection or add in your collection? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, see you guys next time. Peace.